Rudolph, the red-nosed dog. All right. Rudolph's first trick. Sit down, Rudolph. Sit down. I know it's not very impressive. Anybody's dog can sit. Can your dog sit pretty? Sit pretty. Come on, let's hear it for Rudolph, the red-nosed dog. Rudolph, I think they like you. I think they like you, so take a bow. Take a bow, Rudolph. Rudolph, take a bow. Take a bow. Rudolph, quiet speak. Quiet speak. Quiet. Quiet. Hear that quiet speak?
Yes.
Is this an audience or a jury? All right. Have you ever seen what a dog looks like when they're dead? Well, I'm going to show you. Come here, Rudolph. Come here. Come here. Come here. Down. 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 Dead dog. Dead dog. Dead dog. Come on. Stay. Stay. That's what they look like. Come here, Rudolph. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. And hey, come here. Come here. 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 Stand up. Show me how you dance. Come on, let's get Rudolph. Now, would you like to hear Rudolph sing a song? Yeah. Would you like to hear Rudolph sing a song? Yeah. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to play Rudolph's favorite song. The song is called "I'm So Miserable Without You, It's Almost Like Having You Here." I'm sorry, I was thinking about something else. That's not it. His favorite song is called "How Much Is That Doggy in the Window?" It goes like this. Ready, Rudolph? Ready, Rudolph? Ready? 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 He's a little distracted. He does have ADD. It's called Attention Deficit Disorder for Dogs. Here we go. And he'll warm up. Ready, Rudolph? Ready? Ready, Rudolph? Almost. One more time. Come on, Rudolph. Ready? Ready? Good boy, Rudolph. Take a bow. Take a bow. Take a bow. Take a bow. Come on, let's hear it for Rudolph. The red-nosed dog. Now, before the big show, we'd like to see Rudolph's very best trick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you Rudolph's very best trick. Rudolph is Boyne Mountain's latest street performer. He is a street performer. He does tricks for tips. I'm going to show you how he does this. All I need, small child, stand right here in front of the stage for $1. $1. I'll show you his best trick. Here he is. Come up here.
I know his best trick.
Stand right in front.
You want $1? You want $1? $1 and puts it in there.
Stay right there.
$1.
Hold your dollar out. Come here, come here, come here. Hold it out like that. Get the dollar. Get the dollar. Come on, here, Rudolph, here. Your bucket. Rudolph's best trick.